Okay, for example 9, this basically just says if you are taking the square root of a fraction, you can separate it into the square root of the top of the fraction and the square root of the bottom of the fraction. So if I'm looking at the square root of 16 ninths, I can separate that into the square root of 16 over the square root of 9. And the square root of 16 is 4. The square root of 9 is 3. So that gives me 4/3. So if I'm looking at the square root of 36 over 25, I can separate that into the square root of 36 over, let me make a better 3. The square root of 36 over the square root of 25. The square root of 36 is 6. The square root of 25 is 5. So this gives me 6/5. For the next one, I have the square root of 16 sevenths. I can separate that into the square root of 16 over the square root of 7. The square root of 16 is just 4. But the square root of 7 does not simplify. We'd have to kind of keep it as the square root of 7. But, as we just talked about in the previous example, we don't want to keep a square root in the bottom part of a fraction. So, what we're going to do is we're going to multiply this by the square root of 7 over the square root of 7, so that when I multiply the bottom part, that will simplify to just 7. And then on top, I would get 4 square root of 7. So we'd have 4 square root of 7 over 7 for our final answer. And that is all for number 9.